This male must patrol an area the size of 5 football fields, trying to find enough. A tiring commute until, at last, one miracle plant comes into flower. The heliconia gives a hungry hummingbird all the nectar he needs. The trouble is, it's the same for less welcome visitors. Nectar thieves, like banana quits, and even worse, a real heavyweight, an Antillean bullfinch. To get to the nectar, this vandal rips out the heart of the flower. And a flower without nectar, luckily, will never attract him a mate. So he must fight off these feathered felons Could it be? Yes, a female. She likes the flowers. Now he's got to shine. Now, don't blow it, big fella. Success.